Hey, what's up guys, Crying over here. Almost forgot to start the video, but here I am. Back again with more Animal Kaiser. Yep, Master Leo. Yeah, you know the drill. Can't exactly be bothered to pick anything else, so here we are. As for how I'm doing in terms of the sickness, still sick, but I'm doing much better. Alright, let's do this. You gotta be shitting me. Okay, at least I get the first hit in. Good, good, good. Alright, let's go. Ripping attack. Cap. Boo! Yeah, this is a gamble. Ah, piss. Yes! Okay, good. Gonna make this Archaeopteryx my bitch. Alright, Dad's giving me his blessing. And here we go. Alright. You're done. Alright, moving on. Alright, let's fuck this guy up. Oh, fuck you, you hungry hippo. Yeah, of course. Classic hippo humor. Yes! Alright, I'll rest my right arm a little bit. Yep. Here we go. The sun's here to swallow you up, bitch. Yeah. How he survived this is beyond me. You've gotta be shitting me. Yikes. I actually lost. Hang on, no, there's still a chance, I might be able to focus my way out of this one. Ah, come on. Okay, good. I'll be down to a slither of health. Just made it out. Yep, as expected, evil aura explosion. Alright, got my blessings, and here we go. Alright, that's it. GG. This hippo's dead. Oh, that's quite a bit of help now. Alright, and now I did say I was gonna fight Kaiser Coral, so let's go. Yeah, I did do this fight yesterday, but the camera ran out of space. And by the camera, I mean my phone. Yeah. Are you kidding me? Slot jammer, get in here and do your shit. No? Okay. Oh damn, evil aura explosion right off the bat. Wow, that did not do anything at all. Yes! Come on. Riveting attack again, let's go. Focus this time. No, okay. Kaiser flash, okay, no. Ah, damn. Damn. Oh, what? Come on, Slot Jammer. Where's Slot Jammer when you need it? Ah, this blows. Slot Jammer is heckin' useless in this game. Why? Why, Slot Jammer? Why? Is there a limited use of Slot Jammer? I don't know. And I'm dead. Alright, let's see what we got.
Here's your new car. Don't forget to take it with you.
Alright. Something I'm not gonna use again. Yay.